Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In this video, I'll be comparing the fingerprint scanner between the POCO F2 Pro versus Realme X2 Pro device. So let's see friends, which phone has the fastest fingerprint scanning unlock when you compare side by side with the Realme X2 Pro and the POCO F2 Pro. So they do have the different kind of placements in terms of the fingerprint. So in this video, I'll be going through the list each and everything, and try to check the links in description as well for the playlist of wallpapers, exactly what wallpapers I'm using in all of my smartphones, and follow my channel for regular updates on Android mobiles as well. So as I said friends, one thing that was unique with both of the smartphones is that they do have the different kind of placement in terms of the fingerprint. So whereas in the Realme X2 Pro, you can see the placement of the fingerprint is very close to the bottom chain, and whereas in the POCO F2 Pro, you can find the placement of the fingerprint slightly above the Realme X2 Pro. As you can see friends, you can compare clearly how much it is. So if you ask me which placement is convenient, I would prefer the POCO F2 Pro's placement definitely. So when I'm holding the mobile phone, I no need to stretch a lot downwards. So definitely in the POCO F2 Pro, I can directly use it near the power button, as you can see, which makes the experience very much faster. In the Realme X2 Pro, I need to stretch little bit downward, holding the phone little bit upside. So in terms of the placement, there is an overall difference. But in terms of the unlock, so let's see which phone will unlock faster and better. As you can see friends, both phones, they do unlock pretty faster. There is not much difference between both of the smartphones. So definitely I do get one thing is that in the POCO F2 Pro, the haptic feedback is very good. I get very strong vibration whenever I use the fingerprint scanner. So when I compare with the Realme X2 Pros, even the Realme X2 Pro has got a very good haptic feedback as well. So but I like the haptic feedback from the POCO F2 Pros only. So this is the overall comparison between the fingerprints of both the smartphone friends. So both are very good, and definitely there is not the speed is not an issue with the smartphones, but the issue is that placement of the fingerprint. So you can definitely notice here which has where, as you can see, so both have same kind of ratio in terms of the fingerprint scanner. So both are very good and both are very faster, so there's no issues at all. And if you're using the Realme X2 Pro, then definitely do comment below how is your experience in terms of the Realme X2 Pro smartphone. If you have any problems or not, do let me know in the comments below. So thank you for watching this video. So see you in the next video. Until then, bye.